Your tech tip this week is how to use the Explore feature in Google Apps. The Explore tool in Google Docs allows you to research and search the web and images in your drive for things related to the topic you are working on without opening a new tab. So you're in a Google Doc. If you click down on the bottom right to the Explore, it opens up a little sidebar. From here, it scans your documents for some of the topics you might be talking about, give you some researches or some images. If I wanted to find some more information about the Aztecs, I can. It searches the web right in here. When I find an article that interests me, I can copy things that I want to from the article, go back to my document, paste them in. Now, since that's not my own work, I need to make sure I give a citation so I can cite as a footnote. It adds a footnote down to the bottom to let my teacher know where I got the information. If I scroll to the top, I can choose whether I'm citing in MLA, APA, or Chicago format. Additionally, it's a great way to add images to your text. From here, I can look through to find images that might relate to what I'm doing. Insert the image. And there you can resize. It also allows you to search your drive for other activities that might be related. This is especially helpful if your teacher has shared with things within Google Docs and Classroom that you'd be able to find examples of quickly to get your information from. The Explore tool is also very helpful in Google Slides. From here, you can explore different slide layouts to find one that matches your style. You can look at the way that those different layouts will look with the content you have. Additionally, you can search here for quote Aztec clothing. And it will search the web if you need more information or if you're just looking for images. Insert an image over, resizing, moving it where you need to. Another way you can add images is just to click the image you want and drag it onto the screen, and then resizing from there and putting it where you would like it. I hope the next time you are in Google Docs or Google Slides, you explore your Explore tool. Thanks.